What's going on? Today I'm going to be replacing an OEM shift knob from an Audi A4. I mean, like, for real, this thing is just like absolutely disgusting. It just like, it's not attractive. It doesn't look nice. And it doesn't feel awful, but it doesn't feel great either. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be replacing that, and you're going to come along with me. The first thing that you're going to do, I'm going to do, is remove this piece here, like so. It's very simple. You just pull that up. It's got some plastic tabs on the side, here, here, and here, and here on each side. And then you're gonna come down here and see, here there's like this little tab, and it's a Volkswagen Audi like pull tight clamp, so it's not really like you can undo it. So you're just gonna go ahead and give it the snipperoo with a pair of side cutters, like so, and then just push that bad boy open. And then this is garbage. It's garbage. And then you're gonna just wiggle this back and forth, and it should just pop right off. So then you have your OEM shift knob released. I have a new shift knob. It's pretty nice, and it's gonna go right there. But I think that is just way too high. So I'm gonna be cutting this down. Let's measure this. From the base, almost 6 inches. You feel like you're like reaching up like a truck driver for that thing. So I'm gonna definitely be trimming this down to about there. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver and just mark this. It sits inside the shifter, somewhere between about 1.5 inches. So that line that I marked there, that's how much I'm gonna be taking off. Let's go get the saw. So I got the saw. I mean, ideally you'd be using like a little grinder, but we don't have those luxuries. So I'm gonna be using this saw and just like slowly cutting away at this bad boy. So but I don't wanna get a grinder in there because it makes like such a mess. Like, I mean, I'm serious, like such a mess. Okay, we're gonna go with the grinder. We're vacuuming anyways. Safety squints. So this is now removed. It's chopped off. Thank you, Linus. Now back to the boot. Attached to the boot, holding the actual leather boot inside the shift knob, there's like this little tiny weird mechanism. And essentially all you have to do is stick a screwdriver underneath here and pop it off, and then this will come off, and then release the boot. And then if your shifter requires you to use the OEM, like this piece, this should just twist off here, and then you're just left with the OEM shift knob grossness. Okay, so I'm cutting this off. This is like a little shim that they send with your shift knob, and that just pretty much slides over top of here, like so. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the boot situation. Maybe I'm just gonna fold it in for now and address that at a later time of someone's later convenience. These 4 clips, hopefully you didn't break them off. I did not, thankfully. I'm gonna just press these back in because they line up to 4 points here. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually angled a little bit out, like kind of on an angle. You could almost slightly tell, and that's front to back. I mean, if you were wiser, like I'm not, you would have marked it, but it'll just pop right back in. Done. You will take your shift knob, and then release this, because there's 4 set screws. Sorry, not 4, there's 3 set screws. What am I talking about? And you just give those the good old King Kong Titan. So you're gonna tighten this back on. I don't know why I'm saying your, but I'm gonna tighten this back on. Look at me go. And that's that. Nice little, it looks like 110 times better. I'm gonna clean this up, like just cause, and then aesthetically I'll get like a double over what it looked like before and what it looked like after. Cause this is like, well, that's it for this video. If you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe. It goes a very long way. And if you want to check out some more of my stuff, you can go on Instagram. I'll leave a link to that at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching once again. Okay, so my wife has made an excellent suggestion.
As always.
As always. And now I'm going to be using just a grinder to grind it out. I mean, it was
because we do have those luxuries.
we do. I just didn't want to have to run the extension cord.
I know.
And like all the work
know,
behind it. So I just figured that this would be the most excellent option. We're back again with some cord. This door doesn't open. Uma momento. Hello?